It's not your soil ruining your annual phlox. It's the calendar. Annual phlox is one of the easiest summer bloomers you can grow, but timing and placement make or break it. Here's exactly when to plant it, where to put it, and which varieties actually deliver the best results. Annual phlox doesn't survive cold winters, its roots die off, so you're starting fresh from seed or seedlings every spring. Sow seeds outdoors in early spring, as soon as you can work the soil and the danger of late frost has passed. Plant them just 1/8 of an inch deep. Germination takes at least 2 weeks, so be patient. Phlox wants bright sun, full sun to partial shade works, but more light means more blooms. Give it some wind protection too, since taller stems can topple in gusts. Soil matters just as much as light, moist, well-drained, high in organic matter. Skip heavy clay. And aim for a neutral to slightly alkaline pH, around 7.0 to 7.5. If you're buying seedlings from the garden center, keep them moist right up until planting time. Annual phlox seedlings hate being transplanted, so pick an overcast day to do it. That softens the shock. Once they're in the ground, water generously and daily until you see new growth, which tells you they're established. Not all phlox looks the same. Twinkle is a compact 8-inch variety with mixed colors and ragged, starburst-shaped petals. Petticoat mix stays around 6 inches and handles heat and drought better than most. Dwarf Beauty grows about 7 inches in lavender, red, pink, or white. If you want bigger blooms, look for grandiflora, gigantea, or tetras. Get the timing, the sun, and the soil right, and annual phlox will bloom nonstop from June clear through to frost. For the full planting guide, head to Yardener.com.